today. Yes. I've seen quite a few patients. I'm knackered. Yes. You got one more call for me? Oh, bloody Nora. Oh, Beverly, I'm tired. I just finished a 24-hour shift at the clinic. I'm tired. What is it? Oh, my... Trump. Oh, please. Oh, no. Please. No, I can't take that waste man. What does he want? Oh, my God, Beverly. All right, put him through, but please don't put through normal calls. Hello? Yes. Hi, Trump. What's up? You what? You're missing me. Oh, please, don't bother with that. Come on, I'm at the clinic. I've got to stay focused on my patients. I can't get involved with you. If Miss Sam ever find out that me a saka you won't. My career is finished. Oh, come on. I didn't go to medical school to mess it up with a waste man like you. All right? Please. I've got a lot of clients to see. Who am I going to see? Well, it's not going to be bloody you, is it? What do you mean I'm going to see you? You done what? Oh, my God. You book yourself to see me? You want me to operate on you with the other surgeons? Oh, come on, come on. Why are you going to do that to me? Because when we're in bed, I tell you that your dick is too small. Trump, but that doesn't mean that you've got to get a body implant, a penis implant. Oh, my God, no. I'm not doing it. You want me to do it because you only trust me? Aw. All right, then. How many inches are we talking about now? What? 14 inches? Let me tell you something. Trump, I mean, you aren't kidding. How the hell am I going to take 14 inches, huh? Your wife, maybe. But not me, love. I'm not built like an ocean. I'm sorry. No, try about 7 or 8 inches. 14 is too much. When you do things, you do it big. Trump, I know, but you don't have to go the extra mile for Pinky. No, I'm fine. And if anybody ever find out that me and you was having a love affair, it's going to be hell. Let me tell you something. Miss Sam will never talk to me again. Neither Storm, Miss Trini, all of them. All my relatives are not going to talk to me again, and I'm finished. Don't worry about that. You're going to take care of me. Really? Well, I'm at the office. Yeah, I'm at the office. You raise up my blood pressure. I'm going to have to take my blood pressure now. Yeah, I'm going to have to take my blood pressure. Yeah, you're stressing me out, mate. Oh, come off of my phone, Trump. Listen, I've got to go home and I've got to get some rest. Yes, because I've got to do a surgery in the morning. Yeah. Matter of fact, I've got to call his wife before I leave the office, so I'm still busy. Yeah? Okay. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Yeah, get off the phone. All right. Bye. Oh, my God. You know, if Miss Sam ever find out that I am sleeping with Trump, my ass is grass. Anyway, let me do this bloody typing. My bloody medical notes. That bloody heavy stuff. And all the dick that I see every bloody day. Little ones, medium ones, fat ones, skinny ones. Oh, my God. I might as well open the bloody bottle. Yeah. God, if they ever find out that I'm drinking, I'm going to bloody lose my license. You know what, I won't better. Push it out, bloody thing. Stressful life being a bloody penis doctor. I tell ya, the wife's not coming to. Oh, okay. Wrap it up. Let me call Beverly. Beverly? Are you there? Yeah, listen, put me through to Mr. Coxstand, please. What are you laughing for? That's his name? Yeah, look at the system. Yeah, put me through. I need to speak to his wife. Okay. Oh, my God. I need to get out of here. Hello? Mrs. Coxstand? This is Dr. Pinky here. Listen, I was going to do surgery tomorrow on your husband, but my concern is his blood pressure is a little bit high. Well, it's quite high. It's 190 over 106. The diastolic is too high, and I won't be able to perform surgery. We need his blood pressure to come down. I know he's going to be disappointed because he wants a big cock. I know. I know you're frustrated. Don't cry. He'll get it up, and it'll be big and hard and stiff for you. Right? Don't worry about it. Dr. Pinky will handle the business. Yeah? Okay. Yeah. Let's recheck it next week. Yeah? We're gonna check it next week. And trust me, when I finish with your husband's cock, you're going to run away. You trust me? Yes. All right, darling. Let him have plenty of bed rest. He's not to eat no salt, okay? And he's to stay off his feet. All right. And I'll call back in 5 days, but I'll schedule it for 2 days after that, because I need to make sure that his blood pressure is stable. Yeah? All right, darling. Thank you. Yes, Beverly? Yeah, I'm going to be leaving the office now. Yeah. What's going on? You got a call from the BBI unit? Oh, come on. Bloody Nora. Oh. And you also got a call from the BBU unit. Oh, my God. What do they want now? What? Trump checked himself in, and he said he's not leaving the bloody hospital until I perform a body surgery on him. He wants a penis implant. Oh, my God. I've got to go home. I'm tired. Why don't you let Dr. Blue Balls do the surgery on Trump? Yeah. I really don't want to do it. No, he's a dirty bastard. He just wants me to feel him up and stretch that cock as long as I can, and I'm not doing it. No, I refuse. No, I won't do it. Let Dr. Blue Balls do it. Yeah, I've got to go. All right, then. Bye.